Good morning, everyone. Now, in the accountancy chapter number 1, terminology, we have seen up to the assets. So, now the next point, that is receipt. Now, what is receipt? Simple meaning of receipt means whatever we receive in the form of money, that is called as receipt for us, right? Now, see, when money is received due to consequences of business transaction, it is known as money. So when we receive anything in the form of money, that is called as receipt for the business. Now there are two types of business, that is capital receipt and revenue receipt. See this receipt, capital receipt and revenue receipt. Now capital receipt means what? This receipt is not received regularly. This receipt is procured from the sale of assets. Simple meaning of capital assets means only once we received money or receipt, that is called as capital received. The income, the receipt which is not regular, the money which we do not receive on regular basis, that is called as capital receipt. For example, sale of assets, कि एसेट्स हम एक बार बेच ले तो उससे जो भी पैसे मिले वो एक ही बार मिलेंगे, वो बार बार तो मिलेंगे नहीं. सो सेल ऑफ असेट्स इज income of sale of asset is the example of capital receipt, right? Now what is revenue receipt? Revenue receipt means the receipt which receive on the regular basis, that is called as revenue receipt. Now see, the flow of this receipt would remain constant. From the receipt, profit earned during the year or loss incurred can be ascertained. In this category of receipt, income of sales, income of commission, income of discount, etc. are included. Means ये जो seller in commission है, then income of discount है, income of rent है, वो regular मिलेगा. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल हमने अपना हाउस रेंट पे दे दिया है तो वो रेंट हमें रेगुलर मिलेगा. सो दैट हाउस रेंट, दैट इज़ आवर रेवेन्यू रिसिप्ट, राइट? So this is the point of receipt. Now payment. Now what is payment? Payment means whatever we pay in the form of money, that is called as payment. So money paid due to consequences of business transaction is known as payment. So for the business transaction we pay money, that is called as payment for the business. Now again there are two types of payments. पेमेंट को हम एक्सपेंस भी बोलेंगे. अनदर नेम ऑफ पेमेंट इज नोन एज एक्सपेंस, कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर एंड रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर. नाउ व्हाट इज कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर? दिस इज सेम एज दैट कैपिटल रिसीप्ट कि ओनली वंस वी हैव टू डू एक्सपेंस, that is known as capital expenditure. For example, purchase of machinery. See, machine वो हम परचेस करेंगे, सामने हम पैसे देंगे. सो दैट पेमेंट ऑफ मनी, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर, राइट? देन what is revenue expenditure? Revenue expenditure means the flow of this payment would remain constant. मीन्स जो रेगुलर बेसिस पे जो एक्सपेंस हो, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर. फॉर एग्जांपल सैलरी, वेजेस, टेलीफोन एक्सपेंस, एडवर्टाइजमेंट एक्सपेंस एट्सेट्रा. ये सैलरी वेजेस हम दर महीने ही देंगे हमारे एम्प्लॉयज़ को. सो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर. नाउ व्हाट इज़ डिफर्ड रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर? सी, these expenses are known as fictitious assets. About this discussion is undertaken in point number 15. Now deferred revenue expense is known as fictitious asset, right? For example, that issue cost of shares and debenture. जो shares है अगर issue करने के लिए जो भी expense हो रहा है preliminary, that is called as deferred revenue expenditure. Now expense, next point, that is expense. The amount spent and benefit of which is available to the respective accounting year is expense. accounting year is of 12 months, this is called revenue expense. For example, salary. Now expense means expense only, ये यही point है same, that is expense. Now what is revenue? Revenue means goods or services are sold and provided to the customers respectively. If credit sales are made and amount is receivable, it is known as revenue. Besides other income, interest, commission, dividend for the respective period, and even outstanding included in revenue. Revenue, that is same as receipt. Expense is same as expense. पेमेंट इसको पेमेंट बोले, एक्सपेंस बोले, एक्सपेंडिचर बोले, बोथ आर सेम. दिस इज रेवेन्यू, रिसिप्ट, इनकम, राइट. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, दैट इज प्रॉफिट. Now what is profit? That we know what is profit, we understand that, right, ki what is profit, we know it better. Now profit means after deduction of regular payment from regular receipt of the year, surplus is known as profit. Means expense मीन्स जो इनकम हो रही है, इनकम माइनस एक्सपेंसेस, राइट. फॉर एग्जांपल 100 रुपये इनकम हो रहे हैं, उसमें से 80 रुपीज़ एक्सपेंस हुआ, तो 100 माइनस 80, सो 20, दैट इज़ अवर प्रॉफिट, राइट. सो इनकम माइनस एक्सपेंसेस, द बैलेंस रिमेन्स, सो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज प्रॉफिट. एंड व्हाट इज लॉस? एंड इफ एक्सपेंसेस आर मोर देन इनकम, राइट, इनकम में से एक्सपेंस लेस कर रहे हैं तो भी एक्सपेंसेस ज़्यादा है, हम माइनस में जा रहा है, राइट. सो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज लॉस. सो एक्सपेंसेस आर मोर देन द इनकम, सो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज लॉस, राइट. नाउ व्हाट इज गेन? Gain is same as profit. Profit and gain are popular synonyms, right? Now what is purchase? Many items or services are purchased in the business. All the above purchases are not treated as purchase of the business. They are expenses of the business. A businessman does the business of goods purchase of that goods is treated as purchase in accounting. For example, when stationery is purchased by grain merchant, it is stationery expense. But if he purchases grain, it is treated as purchase. This purchase can be in cash or in credit form. Now purchase means कि हम जो भी बिजनेस कर रहे हैं, a businessman does the business of goods. Purchases of that goods is treated as purchase. हम जो भी बिजनेस कर रहे हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल हम स्टेशनरी का बिजनेस कर रहे हैं और हम स्टेशनरी ही परचेज करके लाए for to sell, so that purchasing is known as purchasing for business, right. And if we are doing grain business, हमारा provision store है, we have purchased that rice and wheat for the sale, so that rice and wheat is treated as purchase for us. So purchase means कि whatever business we are doing, the same product we purchase for to sell, so that is called as purchase for the business, right. What is sales? Whatever we are producing. Sales means whatever we are producing or whatever we are manufacturing, the same product we put for others to purchase, so that is called as sales. जो भी हम बना रहे हैं, जो भी हम प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं, वही प्रोडक्ट हम दूसरों के खरीदने के लिए रखें, so that is called as sales for the business, right. Okay, now 30, stock. Now what is stock? Whatever manufacturing that we are doing, अगर हमारा बिजनेस है, whatever manufacturing that we are doing, from that manufacturing we are preparing product, right. So for example, per day we are producing 100 product, so that 100 product is called as stock for the business. Stock means जो product हमने बना के रख दिया है हमारे store में, so that is called as stock for the business, right. Now see, goods purchased are business for business purpose, goods remain unsold from that is called as stock. Now see, goods remained unsold from the goods is called stock. जो for example we have produced 100 product, तो that 100 product is stock for us. 100 में से 70 बेचे तो 30 बचे, so the 30 product is called as closing stock for us, right? So this is the stock. And we start our next day by that 30 product, so that 30 product is called as opening stock for the day. So this is the stock, right? So today we have seen from the receipt to the stock, from point number 16 to point number 30. Now all of you read these again, all these points are very important for the understanding of accountancy, and write down all these points in your notebook. So this is your homework. So today's homework is point number 16 to point number 13, all the terms that you have to write down in your notebook, right? Okay, see you tomorrow. Now good day everyone.